In this video of our 2-week ukulele practice and technique challenge, we're going to take that major scale that we learned in the last video, and we're going to make it into a sequence. And this sequence is going to be called Every Other Note. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and great job for sticking with this challenge and getting to this video. This one is going to take the major scale that we've worked on in the last video. If you haven't seen that, you want to check that one out. And we're going to make it into a sequence. Okay, really, really cool. I'm going to show you exactly what to do for that. Now, if you want to enter to win the Kala Ukulele, make sure to sign up for the challenge below. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the Kala channel too. And also make sure to post at least one video over on the ukelikethepros forum. And then if you want the VIP option, we have a VIP as well. We'll put a link below. Click on that. Go find out. You're going to get a bunch of bonuses, including lifetime access to this and all the PDFs and the backing tracks for this. All right. I do have a solid body ukulele here. Don't let it fool you. Still tuned the same way, GCA. But let me show you exactly what we're going to be doing. Wow. Just right there, even if we don't even move it up the neck, just right there is a fantastic warm-up and technique builder right there. All right, back to this here real quick. So I am playing a solid body electric ukulele. This is a Risa. This is a Les Paul style. It's tuned just a normal G, C, E, E, A, and I do have a low G on it, which does help for this video when you're doing these kind of scales. But if you like this ukulele, make sure to check out the #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. Now, when I'm picking this thing, I'm going to be using a pick. Now, if you have a pick, I highly suggest that you practice with the pick just to build that extra technique into your playing. If you don't have a pick, you can get one like this at the store as well. You can also use, if you want, you can use your thumb or the alternating fingers. But I will be using a pick for this one. This is based off the major scale. This is the B flat major scale because we're going to start right here on the 3rd fret, B flat note. And it's a sequence. And what a sequence is a pattern. All right. And this pattern is going to be called every other note. So instead of just playing the scale just like that, we're going to be doing, and then every other note. All right, we won't be doing it that fast. I was in a flow. Wanted to see if I could get through the whole thing. I'm going to break down each note for you, so don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So we're going to start right here on the 4th string, 3rd fret with the 2nd finger, and then I'm going to skip this next note. I'm going to go right here, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then I'm going to go back to the 2nd note, the one that we skipped, which is the 5th fret, and then I'm going to skip the next note and go to the 3rd fret of the next string. Then we go back to the note we just skipped, 2, and then up to 5. Now what I'm going to do here is when I go to this 3, I'm actually going to shift to my 1st finger, and then that way I can roll down to the next string, 3rd fret, and then back to the 3rd string, 5th fret, and again roll down to the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then 1, 1st finger I meant, 3rd fret to the 6th fret. Then I'm going to go to the 5th fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, back to the 2nd string, 6th fret, 5th fret. Now I'm on a 1st string, 3rd fret, and then 6th. And that's the highest note of the scale. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start the pattern going down. But let's just do that together. I know it's hard. It takes a little bit of time. Trust me, I remember when I was learning this on guitar, and then I transferred over to ukulele. But I remember I was like, man, it's confusing at first, but trust your ear as you're practicing. Now, here we go. Let's just go down. 3, 4, and... All right, how did you do so far? Just that. Leave a comment below. Now we're going to simply come back up the strings, and we're going to start right here because we just finished with the pinky. We're going to go back to the, here we go, 5, 6 on the next string, 3, 5. Second string, 6, 3. Those are the frets. 5. Roll up the 5. 3. Roll up the 3. We're going to do a little shift here. Third string, 5th fret, and then 2nd fret. 3rd fret, 4th string. Back to the 3rd. 3rd fret, and then we're going to go 5, and then we're going to go to the 7th degree of the scale right there, and then we're going to stop right there on beat 1. Woo! I know that's a lot, but let's just try that. Let's just try that starting from the 1st string, 5th fret. 3, and it's... All right, before we try the backing track, because this is really important, this is something that I still use to this day as a warm-up. We're going to start from the top and go all the way, top meaning 4th string. We're going to go all the way to the 1st string and come back up. Here we go, 3, 4, and... What do you think? That's a lot right there. Let's just do that with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that? I know it's tough, especially if it's brand new to you, but you can get it. If I can get it down, you can get it. It may take you a little bit of time, but you can see how beneficial that is for your fingers. This is hard, and this is definitely a hard one if it's totally new to you, but keep practicing it, keep going on it. If you have to slow it down, slow it down. If you can do it faster, do it faster. Remember the VIPs get the slow backing tracks, that middle backing track, and faster backing track, as well as an extended backing track. So you could even go further. You can even practice coming back down the neck. So remember, VIPs, if you're not a VIP, you can sign up for that below. What do you think? Are you digging this stuff? This stuff's really cool. It's great. It's a warm-up. It's a technique builder. It's going to help your overall playing. And the one last thing I want to mention is we have, after this challenge is over, we're going to have an advanced technique workshop. We're kind of doing like an early bird special. We'll put a link below if you want to go sign up for that. So, all right. Other than that, thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. I do appreciate it. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. We got another one in the next video.